This is the outside casement of the, for lack of a better word, cell that Jefferson Davis was put in from May 22nd to October 2nd, 1865. As his health suffered, he was removed to Carroll Hall in the fortress where he remained from October 1865 until May 1867, where he was released on bail. He was never brought to trial. One of the reasons his health suffered was that there is a moat that goes around this fort, and his bedroom window was right over the moat. And so you would suffer from the cold, you would suffer from the wet, and you would suffer from the warm because of the mosquitoes and bugs that will come in your window and affect your health. This is the actual room Jefferson Davis was confined in. This casement at Fort Monroe housed Jefferson Davis, and right in the center here is the actual door that he was locked behind in this casement. These casements allowed officers and men to move about the fort, and later they were sealed up. On May 19th, 1865, Jefferson Davis, former President of the Confederate States of America, and Clement Clay, a Confederate senator from Alabama, were on board the William P. Clyde. The prisoners were brought ashore at Fort Monroe. Davis was escorted here to casement number 2, which became his cell for the first 4.5 months of his 2-year internment.